So hi guys, in this video I am going to talk about knowledge representation. So basically what is knowledge representation? Before going to talk about knowledge representation, what is knowledge? You can say knowledge is something that exists in real world entity, or you can say it is truth in some real world entity. So what is knowledge representation? So knowledge representation is a study of how actually knowledge is represented or picturized. Suppose you saw some movie, then you start picturizing it in some paper or pen. So what you are doing? You are actually converting a knowledge into some represented form or in some picturized form. So basically for representation there are two entities. First, fact, and second, representation of fact. So what is fact? Fact is generally truth in some real world, like sky is blue, so it is truth in some real world. Now representation of fact. So how you will represent sky is blue? So suppose you say sky and at the bracket you write blue. So for representing in any element, like more elements are blue, like your t-shirt color is blue, or anything like board color is blue. So how you will write? Board in bracket you will write board blue. So representation of fact. So there can be any fact, like sky is blue, it is a fact in real world. And representation of fact. For representation there are two entities, fact and representation of fact. So these two entities can be structured in two levels. First level, knowledge level. In knowledge level you will describe about what is the knowledge. Means suppose there is a paragraph given and you are converting that paragraph into some symbol. So what you will do? First you will, in knowledge level, you will describe the facts. Means what are the facts? Like sky is blue, but sometimes it is red, sometimes it is cloudy. So at this level you will describe what basically your knowledge is. In second level, symbol level, at which representation of some object. Suppose you say sky is blue and red. So how you will write this? Sky, blue, or sky, red. So basically you are using some symbol, like you are using or symbol at this point. So at which representation of some object, means this was one object and this was second object, so you are using some symbols to represent this. These two entities, facts and representation of facts, can be structured in two levels. Knowledge level when facts are described, and symbol level when representation of some objects, means you are using or at this point. So this mapping can be done in two parts. First, forward representation, second, backward representation. In forward representation you represent fact to representation, means you map fact to representation. Whatever the fact was given, like Marcus is a man, so you write Marcus man. So what you are doing? Marcus is a man. So Marcus is a man was a fact, and you are now representing this fact. So representation mapping can be done in two parts, forward representation or in otherwise backward representation. Like Marcus is a man, so what you are representing? A fact into a representation, Marcus man. In backward representation you do the opposite. Suppose you are given any representation, from that representation you are now going to get some fact. Like if you get Marcus man, then you will say Marcus is a man. So there are two parts of representation mapping, forward representation mapping and backward representation mapping. So if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and for more artificial intelligence video keep watching my channel. Thank you.